Okay, let's give you guys some more practice. So here, find the limit of tan of x over 3x. As a clue, tan of x equals sine of x over cos of x. So as a clue, chuck this into here. Okay, well, anyway, do whatever you want. Press pause and have a go. Press pause and have a go. Okay, so to do this here, visualize the tan of x as sine of x over cos of x. So you've got a fraction within a fraction. Whenever you get a fraction within a fraction, visualize it like this. So you've got this thing here, whatever this is. Let's say some sort of number here. So some sort of number divided by 3x. So divided by 3x. And when you divide a fraction, it gets multiplied to the bottom. So it becomes this. Okay, so this gets multiplied to the bottom. So it becomes 3x times cos of x here. And then your next step is to break this up, because at the moment you've got sine of x, you've got this block here divided by 3 times the x times cos of x. So basically move this x out to here, and then this here, and then over here you've got 1 times 3x. Break this up. Break this up here. So basically get this x out here and get this sine of x out here. So it would then become this. So if you get top times top, that will give you sine of x, which is this here, and then bottom times bottom, that will give you 3x cos of x. So this thing here is exactly the same as this. So we're just breaking up the two fractions, okay? And then once you're here, then at the moment you've got this block times this block here. So take the limit of this, and then take the limit of this. So it would be you finding out the limit of this whole thing here is the same as you finding out the limit of this, and whatever that limit is times with the limit of this here. So the limit of this is the same as you finding out the limit of this, and then you finding out the limit of this, and then multiplying the two answers together. So this whole thing here is the same as this. Okay, and then this here, you must know by now that this here, the limit of this here as x approaches 0 is 1. And here you've got a scenario where nothing breaks down. If you put 0 into here, remember cos of x is like this. When cos of 0 is actually 1. So when you put 0 into here, cos of 0 is 1. So you've got this 1 here times 3 here. So here nothing breaks down. So you can simply just put 0 into here. Nothing breaks down. So this limit here will be a third. So your overall answer will be 1 times a third, which is a third. So when you look at the graph, it will look like this. Your tan x over 3x will look like this. The limit as x approaches 0 is you doing this. As x approaches 0, it will head towards here, and then from the right hand side, it will head towards the same place. Dead on 0 is undefined, but it is heading towards a third. So your answer is a third. Okay, this bit here is a third. Okay.